So the things that are looking good at Harlow Carr at the moment, we've got a huge collection of different salvias. We've been running a salvia trial with the RHS for the last couple of years, and a lot of them are just at their absolute best at the moment. The verbena is looking amazing. We've got penstemons, dahlias. The sun border along the top of the garden near the visitor's entrance is just beautiful. There's loads of stuff coming out in there at the moment that's well worth looking at. And not only the flowers, but also the textures and foliage. In the woodland garden, might not be so much in flower now there, but what we have got is loads of shade and lovely wildflower areas where you can go and sit and just watch wildlife and enjoy peace and quiet for an afternoon maybe. In terms of plants and what's going to be looking good in the future, a lot of the dahlias will carry on flowering right through till October, November, till the last frost, so they're well worth coming to see. We've got a lot of different grasses that are just beginning to flower now, and they'll carry on right through till the autumn and look amazing, well worth coming to have a look at. And alongside that, in the subtropical garden, we have a lot of different types of semi-tropical plants such as bananas and succulent things like aeoniums coming on and look just absolutely gorgeous at the moment and well worth going to have a look at.